In the last video, we have discussed and familiarized with the basic tools of Proteus which we have to use. In this video, we can go for a project, making a project. So as said before, we have the file which we earlier did. So this is a project we did in the last video. So we are opening that by double clicking that. So now we are getting a window in which we can, as we have seen before, we can select the components from this window. So we can make a basic circuit here. So I am selecting a keyword resistor. So in this we can see the review of the resistor image and package view also. So I am clicking this OK to bring that to the components list. Now I am also taking a battery. So we are having different lists of batteries. I am selecting the active one and clicking OK. So now I am going to take an LED also. So now we got the LED. I'm clicking this one. So now we have got all the components which we required. So in order to place some components from here to there, we have to select that component and click it, the left click on this one. So if you want to like rotate this or make any adjustment, so what we can do is like click it and bring it here, place it by clicking left click once again. So if you want to rotate it or have different option with this components itself by right clicking. So if you want to delete this object, we can click the right click and delete this one. Or like if I'm bringing it here again to explain to you. So there are different options like rotate clockwise, rotate anti-clockwise, rotate 180-degree. So if I am clicking rotate clockwise, you can see that the LED, the component which we brought here, actually rotated here by 90-degree. So if I want to make it back again, so I'm clicking rotate anti-clockwise. So I got it back like this. We can do this by having shortcut on the keyboard also. If you click plus, it will rotate leftwards, like it means anti-clockwise. If you click minus, it will be rotating the clockwise direction also. And there are other options also which we are not discussing currently in this video, and we will be discussing this in the future videos which will be next level. So similarly, now I have got the LED here and the schematic thing. So now I'm bringing a battery also here. I'm placing a battery here, and now what I'm taking is a resistor. I'm placing a resistor also here. So now we have got the components which are required for this one. So if I want to connect these components and if I want to make these connections, like I have to click here, left click once, and I can bring it, drag it here without just click once and bring it here to the resistor. I'm clicking once again to make the connection. Now we have got a connection between this battery and the resistor. In order to make the connection between the resistor and the LEDs, the same thing has to be done. I'm clicking again on the terminal of the resistor, bringing it to the LED, and clicking it again on the LED's terminal. To complete the circuit, I'm doing the same thing again. So if I'm bringing like this, so if I want to make a point here or something, I just click here and I can make whatever arrangement I need. So it's like that, I'm bringing back here and bringing close to the closed circuit. I'm clicking here. So I have got a complete circuit now. So yeah, like now we can see that the voltage which we are having is like 12-volt battery. The 10k is a resistance and LED is the. So if I want to change this value, what I can take is like right click on that component, and there's an option called edit properties. So as you can see in this tab, we can see the name of that thing. Like B1 is written in the battery 1, it's shown here. If you want to change it as battery like itself, we can change it here. And if you want to change the voltage, suppose if I want to make it a 9-volt battery, I can do that here also. So I'm clicking OK. Then it became like you can see the changed one, the battery in 9-volt. So if I want to change the resistance values, same thing can be done by edit properties. You can go. So I want to make it like a 330 ohm or something. So I'm making like 330. So I can click OK again, so that value will be given to this one. So now here I've made a complete circuit. In the next video, we will be seeing how to simulate this and how to make a PCB layout, etc. So till then, bye.